Hi. When it comes to writing task 2, I've often seen students worry about aspects such as grammar, vocabulary, what points to include, how to structure their paragraphs, etc. However, most students tend to ignore an important aspect of the writing task 2, which is task achievement. Task achievement holds 1/4 of your band score in writing. So, what is task achievement? Simply put, it is a measure of the relevance of your response in the writing task 2. It indicates the position you've taken, the ideas you've presented, the development of your argument, and the examples that you have presented. While it may seem obvious that you should address the task specifically, students often overlook the fact that you must optimize your writing and not include irrelevant points. Let us take an example to understand how your points may not be as relevant as you would like to believe. Take a look at this example. In the above question, you have to answer the two questions. Do you think that parents and caregivers can be held responsible for this? Yes, no, and maybe. And what can be done to bring the crime rates down? This should include suggestions and solution. Remember, you need to answer only what has been asked. The question here already establishes the fact that crime rates among teenagers is on a rise. Here, you do not have to negate or reason with this statement. Answer only the question. So, how do you write a relevant response? Well, as mentioned previously, write an essay to answer what has been asked, and you must not elaborate the topic statement. Do not make vague or abstract connections. Make logical connections and points. This is a test of language and not your ability to think out of the box. Provide examples to support your statement and not make statements to support your examples. Think about the relevance of the examples, and your example must justify the argument. Do not assume that the connection would be obvious to the reader. A topic may be vast. Address the specific aspect asked by the question. Stick to the point. Do not waver or seem confused. Simply put, you must take into account different viewpoints and discuss it to strengthen your stance, but do not seem confused in the position that you choose. Do not repeat points. Extend your ideas by describing different points of views and not by writing the same thing in different ways. In an attempt to explain clearly or increase your word count, do not repeat the points. Use the right words to ensure your ideas are clearly presented and be descriptive. In order to extend the idea, remember, extend the point by describing different aspects of it and not by paraphrasing the same point. Another aspect of task achievement is the word count. Word count is extremely important. In task 2, you must write at least 250 words. This is not an upper limit. Please remember that. That means you will not be penalized for writing more than 250 words. However, if you fall short of the word count, that is 250 words, you will lose a band score. Now that you've understood what is task achievement, continue practicing and perfecting yourself. Good luck.